There we go. So welcome to the moving diaries. We're meant to be out of here in the next 2 weeks, me and Nosh. So the packing has started already. Okay, so today we have such a gloomy day. It's our last week in June, and it seems somewhat fitting to end kind of like a bit moody weather. Check this out. Okay, so this is the part of the move I've been dreading the most, which is packing up all my sneakers. Let's get started, I guess. We're done. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. Sorted. I thought I had a bigger shoe problem, but I guess not. I mean, this is it. I choose to be a lot worse than this. Okay, so we've officially moved. The moving day went relatively well. It was quite good. We got this guy from Yaz who does moving. His name is Andrew, and he did quite a good job. Got all our stuff here. Noshad and I even got to go to one of our favorite bakeries on the way, and we got some pastries, and it was quite a fun day. Noshad and I called that place home for like 5 years. So it was very sad to leave and very hard to close, but we're on to the next thing now.